Namaste. I'm going to let us start guided meditation. This is the very general guiding meditation for beginners. Generally, what happens? This healing meditation, generally, meditation heals, and especially, I'm guiding the healing meditation. Healing meditation will relax and heal your body, mind, emotions, and everything. By doing healing meditation, you can completely relax yourself. This will be passive progressive, and it keeps and helps your muscles free and relax. By finding comfortable relaxed position, please find comfortable relaxed position. Allow your body to begin to relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep your palm like this. Sit comfortably, complete relax and calm. Take a cleansing breath. Take a cleansing breath in and breathe out tension in your body. Take the deep breath, cleansing breath in and take out the tension from in your body. Relax your body. Feel, feel at the bottom of your feet. It might feel like stepping into warm, or it may feel like tinkling sensation. You feel some sensation bottom of your feet and simply calm and lose yourself. Simply calm and lose yourself. Allow the relaxation to spread over the feet. Allow the relaxation spread over your feet and up your ankle. Feel the relaxation arising above your ankle, flowing up, flowing up, lower your legs to your keen. Continue up, upper legs. Allow the relaxation to continue to spread. Allow the relaxation continue to spread throughout your body, raising now to your hip, raising now to your hip and your pavilion area. Feel the relaxation and feel the sensation to your stomach and lower back, to your stomach and lower back, to your chest and upper back, to your chest and upper back. Let your upper arm relax. Let your upper arm relax. Your elbow, your arm, your wrist. Feel the relaxation. Spread your hands, relaxing the palm of your hands, back of your hands, each finger and thumb. Find the hands feel plenty of warmth. Find the arm and feels plenty of warmth, heavy and relaxed. Heavy and relaxed. Feel your body relaxing further. Feel your body relaxing further as the area by your collarbones. Relax, allow your shoulder to ease back slightly. Relax and allow your shoulder ease back lightly. Gently, silently. Feel the sensation. Allow your upper back to relax even further. Allow your upper back to relax even further. Let your shoulder relax. Let your shoulder relax. Your neck relax. Feel the relaxation and sensation, some warm, tinkle, something. Feel that sensation and continue to relax. Feel the sensation, continue to relax. Continue to spread your chin, back of your head, your mouth, your cheek, your nose, your eyes. The surrounded complete head. Now feel the complete head sensation and allow to relax. Feel your eyelash and ear and relaxed. Notice your eyebrow relaxing, your ears relaxing, your forehead relaxing. Notice your eyebrow relaxing, forehead relaxing, your ears relaxing. Your forehead feels cool and relaxed. Your forehead feels cool and relaxed. Let the relaxation spread further to the top of your head. Let the relaxation spread further to the top of your head. Your entire body now relaxed. Your entire body now relaxed and calm. Feel the relaxation flowing throughout your body from your head and your feet. You can relax even further as you let your spine relax completely. Starting where the top of your spine meet your head, feel the relaxation, feel the muscles giving up their hold and relaxing. Feel the relaxation spread down the spine, down to your back, middle back, lower back, middle back, lower back. The way down to your tailbone, tailbone, bottom of your spine, tailbone and bottom of your spine, spinal cord. Notice all the muscles of your back relaxing completely. Notice all your muscles of your back relaxing completely. Feel the relaxation flowing throughout the body, throughout your body. Feeling the relaxation, sensation flowing throughout your body. Continue to breathe in, continue to relax. Now hold the breath and relax your muscles totally. Now hold the breath, relax your muscles totally, allowing the breath to flow gently out your nose and mouth. Allowing the breath gently to nose and mouth. Take another deep breath. Breathing in relaxation. And relax the breath. Breathe out, remaining tension. Breathe out, remaining tension. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue to breathe smoothly, slowly as you mentally scan your body. Continue to breathe smoothly, gently scan your body. Looking for remaining tension. If you notice your tension focus area, if you notice your tension focus area, direct the relaxation to flow into that area. Direct the relaxation, direct the sensation, flow in that area. And then carry the tension away. Imagine the air you are breathing can cleanse your body. Imagine the air, the breathing cleanse your body and remove the tension. Imagine the each breath carries the relaxation. Imagine the each breath carries the relaxation. Picture the tension in your body, leaving each breath out. Now, simply relax, calmly, enjoying the feeling of vibration, feeling of relaxation, few moments. Gently, politely feel the sensation. Relax completely. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Focus your attention on your whole body. Think about the healing that needs to take place. Focus the whole body. Think the healing take place. Now you feel calm, peace, relax. No worry, no tension, no fear, no anger. Create an imagine in your mind of current state of being. Create and imagine your mind current state of being. Imagine the physical element that troubles you. It might be pain or illness or injury. It might be something dangerous. Diagnosed. It may be a problem that is not yet identified. Whenever it is that you would like to heal, imagine the problem you might be right now. Focus on the specific location to your body where is this problem is present. You might want to imagine the problem in dark sense or dark area and picture the healing, the relaxation and light. See the light of relaxation flowing through your body. Direct the lighting and healing relaxation towards that dark area. Your body now has many ways for healing its own self. See the healing relaxation promoting your body, immune system, promoting strength, promoting growth and healthy tissues, removing unhealthy tissues, unhealthy matters, unwanted things from your body and mind. Removing toxin, bacteria, unwanted virus, waste. Now feel the cleansing. Now feel the cleansing up your body and mind. Imagine the light of healing relaxation flowing your body, touching your edges of the dark problem area in your body. You might notice small pieces of darkness area being carried away, healing relaxation. Allow the dark pieces, breathe out. Now gently breathe in health, healing and calm. Breathe out the tension, illness, problem in your body. Allow the light healing relaxation to continue around the dark problem area. See the dark area getting smaller. Imagine the dark area completely evolved and relaxed. See the healing relaxation making the dark area lighter and lighter, carrying away anything that is not good for your body. Imagine your immune system working to heal you. Picture the cells and you need to go in to the place they need to go, working as need to heal your body. Imagine the healing relaxation flowing, coursing through to your body. Picture your body enlightly filled with relaxation. See the problem area in your body is healing. Focus. See it becomes even lighter, filled with relaxation. Carry away the discomfort, healing. Allow your body to heal itself. Take a cleansing breath in. Take a cleansing breath in. And breathe out, your body does not need. Breathe out, your body does not need. Breathe in relaxation, keep yourself calm, continue to calm. Allow yourself, feel the sensation, continue to calm. Continue to calm, Continue the calmness as long how long you can. Feel the sensation. Continue the flow. Be there. Feel the calmness. Continue the calmness how long you want and you desire, or your body desire, or your body needs, because it is healing. Healings take place, so you feel the sensation. Unless your sensation cut, it won't self. Continue to the calm and feelness. Feel the sensation. Allow your body. Let it heal on its own. Don't cut the sensation. Continue to the sensation. Allow the relaxation. Continue as long as it can heal. Your body needs. Allow it. Relax few moments. Imagine the healing process going into your body. Feeling confident in your body, ability to heal, feeling calm and peace. Continue to calm and peace. Your body able to take, and body will indicate you to cut. When body is cutting, just relax yourself. Take a deep breath until you pass the same position and the posture. Allow your body to heal. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Allow your body. Now feel the music. And now, gently, politely, relax yourself. I thank myself being here. I thank Reiki being here. I thank Reiki healing energy being here. I thank my Guru Savitri Patnaik Sridhar Balakrishna being here. I thank Mihayo Yusufi, who is the founder of Reiki Healing, being here. I'm completely healing, I'm completely healing, I'm completely healing. I'm completely healed. I dissolve all my fear, all my worries, all my tensions, all my negative energy, completely dissolved. I am a pure energy. I am relaxed now. I complete, I complete, I complete. See you again with another course of guided meditation. Until stay tuned, practice this. Thank you. Bye bye.